Hi everyone. Um, I was just going through this forum the other day and ran into the same issue you guys were running into. I wanted to extract the most frequent terms from a project that I was translating in SDL Trados, and I didn't know how to do it in multi-term. I was trying to figure it out, and I checked a few options that you suggested, like using multi-term extract, but I think that's not an option right now. I used Cafetran, and it's definitely a good solution. I just simply think that for me, it wasn't that user-friendly, let's say. So I wanted to share another workaround that I don't think is mentioned here in case you still find it relevant, because this post was from 2016 and probably you already know about it. And if not, well, I guess it will be helpful for others since it's not mentioned here. So the program that I wanted to talk to you about is called Rainbow, and it belongs to the Okapi framework, which is a set of cross-platform localization tools that you can use. They are open source. So you click on Rainbow here and you click on the stable release. And this one you can download for Windows, for Mac OS. I downloaded the one from Windows. Once you download it, you simply open Rainbow, and the app is going to ask you to upload the source texts from which you want to extract the most common terms. So in this case, I have downloaded two websites, language and translation from Wikipedia. And something very important is that you have to set up the source language in which the source file is found. In this case it's English, and then the coding in this case is UTF-8. You can, if different, and if you want to make sure, you can go to the page, you can click on source code, and here you will find encoding of this site, UTF-8. Once you have set this up, then you go to utilities and then you click on term extraction. And I never change this because I always click on this one, on these two options. This means that once you execute the command, the resulting file is going to open up. And then this one I click because I want the most common terms to be shown on top of the file. And there, here you can play a little bit based on the scope of your project and on what you want to get out of this feature. I usually use 3 here, right, because I care about long terms, but I can play a little bit with it. And I want that each term appears 4 times the least, right? And once you are done with this, you simply click on execute, you wait until the resulting file opens up, and as you can see here, you have your extracted terms. If you go to the top, you will see that the terms on top most likely are the least relevant, because I mean this is nonsense. But the coolest thing about this is that you can simply copy and paste this on a spreadsheet and clean it there, like I already did that process, and this is how it looks, right? Make sure that your term base has these headers so that your CAD tool can read it. So this is the column for English, the column for the Spanish translation of these terms, and Italian, and whatever target language you might want to translate these terms into. And then you save this in CSV format, and then you can import it back to multi-term. When you download multi-term, there is a converter included. You can use that to convert the CSV file into multi-term, then create a term base in multi-term, and then you can use a multi-term term base in your SDL Trados Studios projects. So I hope you find this workaround helpful. Leave your comments, and if you think somebody would appreciate this too, please share it with them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now.